Hi beautiful friends, welcome back to the Luxy Hair channel. In today's video, Noelle will share how she creates big, voluminous, gorgeous braids with her Luxy Hair Extensions. To create large, voluminous braids that really have that wow factor, Noelle uses her Luxy Hair Extensions in Ombre Blonde. To start, clip up your hair leaving down a bottom layer. Using a 4-clip weft, clip this in at the root, then let the top layers of your natural hair down. Repeat this step and clip in the next 4-clip weft. On the sides, Noelle is adding 2 single-clip wefts for added length. Once she has her full set clipped in for extra length and volume, it's time to start braiding. To start a fishtail braid, gather your hair at the back and separate into 2 clear sections. Take a small section from the right side and add it into the left section. Next, you'll grab a small part from the left section and add it into the right. Then you'll just keep repeating this pattern all the way down to create the fishtail braid. Once you get to the bottom, Noelle is gently tugging on the braided sections outward, also known as pancaking, to make the braid looser and bigger. Tie that off with a small elastic and then continue pancaking to really show off the fishtail and create that amazing volume. On to the Dutch braid. For this braid, Noelle has left her Luxy Hair Extensions exactly in as they were before. To begin, gather a top layer of your hair at the back. You're going to split this section into 3 separate parts. Now start braiding, but instead of crossing over top, you'll cross underneath. Once you've braided once, grab a section of hair from the right side and add it into the right braid section. Think of it like a French braid where you're adding pieces as you go along, but crossing underneath instead of over top. Keep repeating this pattern of adding hair as you braid. Once you've run out of hair to add, just braid regularly down to the end. Gently tug on the sections to start pulling the braid apart. Tie it off with a small elastic and then continue pancaking the braid to keep on making it even bigger. And that's it. Okay, lastly, let's create 2 French braids. To do this, we're actually going to clip our Luxys in a different way. Start by using a rat tail comb to create a really precise line down the middle and separate your hair into 2 sides. Then on one side, use the comb to section off the top layer of your hair. Clip this up out of the way and take a 3-clip weft. This time, flip the weft upside down and clip the clips in upwards. For even more length and volume, Noelle is also using a 2-clip weft and again clipping this in upside down. By using this upside down technique, this will make it much easier to blend your extensions and braid in the right direction. Now grab the top front section of your hair and separate into 3 pieces. Start a normal braid with these 3 sections. Once you've braided once, add a section of hair into the braid. Repeat this on the other side by adding a small section into the braid. Once you've run out of hair to add into the braid, continue braiding normally all the way down. Again, gently tug on the braid to loosen it up so it's not so tight. Tie it off with a small elastic and continue pancaking the braid. Then you're just going to repeat the exact same process on the other side of your head. So that's it for today's video. Which braided hairstyle is your favorite? Let us know below and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more hair tutorials every week. Thanks for watching!